In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change layouts in TradingView. Start on the charting screen and look at the top toolbar. Next to the Alert Settings icon, you'll see the Select Layout button. It typically looks like a small grid. Click that to open the Layout Picker. This menu shows you several grid options, including stacked, side-by-side, and quad view. Choose the arrangement that best fits what you are analyzing. For example, a side-by-side layout works well when you want to compare two related markets or two timeframes of the same symbol. A quad view is helpful if you like to watch multiple assets or multiple timeframes simultaneously. Stacked layouts can be useful when you want vertical separation without crowding indicators. Keep in mind that multi-chart layouts require a paid plan. If you are on a free plan, you'll have access to a single chart view. When you try to select a multi-chart grid without the appropriate plan, TradingView will prompt you to upgrade. That prompt is just a notification about plan limitations, so here is nothing wrong with your account. If you already have a paid plan, all the available grid options should be selectable right from that same menu. Once you've picked a layout, you can manage and organize your overall setups from the drop-down menu in the top left. Right beside the ticker field. This is where you create a new layout. Rename an existing one, or switch between saved layouts. Creating a new layout is useful if you want different chart arrangements for different tasks, like day trading, swing trading, or long-term analysis. Renaming helps you keep things clear, so consider using descriptive titles that reflect the purpose or time frame. When you need to switch, just open the same drop-down and select the layout you've previously saved. That way, your preferred grid and chart combinations are ready with a single click, without reconfiguring them each time. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.